The fuck? You still haven't fixed that?
Oh, bullshit to that too, huh?
Episode 2 of the, fuck, what's the title? Hold on. Hi guys, I'm back at the crime scene. So I just got done popping out the line of this stupid fitting that I threw in there. I did have like a little ball. It fell down to the bottom, but I did know that it had to be concave to seal. But all the parts store had was a compression fitting, and it comes with this little ball that expands when you tighten it. And I had it in there thinking it would seal good enough just to drive it home, but it wasn't good enough. But now I have this, basically the exact fitting that I need to make all this work. Concave on the bottom, or convex and concave on top. Basically it's made to fit perfectly in the feed here, and then this rounded tip here will go inside this fitting and seal nice and tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully it's the right thread. I haven't even tried it yet. Perfect. So this should be the solution to all the issues I've been having. Because again, I'm just trying to get this good enough to drive home. I'm not trying to get it perfect by any means. I'll do all that when it's home. Spend more time working on it. You know, just right now, I just want to get the damn thing home. That's all I want to do. I guess it's fixed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. I'm just messing with you. I'm not gonna post this video until this thing is officially boosting. I think all I gotta do is run a vacuum line from the turbo to the wastegate. Gotta hook up the charge pipe. I gotta clock the turbo and rotate this. That shouldn't be that big of a deal. Just run that pipe from there to the throttle body. That's in the trunk. Very minor stuff, but this video is not getting posted until this thing is boosting. I promise you that. Alright, I'm back in the Civic. I'm going to pick it up today. It should be drivable. I have not driven it yet, but it should be good. I'm going to take this to my brother's house and try and hook up the charge pipe and basically just get it boosting tonight. And my wife's going to follow me in the car just to make sure I don't get stranded. What you got?
Godzilla.
Jesus. Only a face only a mother could love. Yeah, then you get some gas. This car's on fumes. Yeah, that car looks pretty good rolling down the road. Okay, so I've been pretty busy. I've got the charge pipe hooked up. I got a new coupler here because I had put a signal, like a reference for my old wastegate off of here. But now this turbo has a nifty little signal reference right here on the charge side of the housing, so I can run from there to the wastegate. But right now I'm just going to run it unregulated, just I guess off the spring. Let's see, I clocked the turbo and I got it hooked up to the cold side, and surprisingly I didn't have to do any changes. I just had to loosen that clamp and rotate the charge pipe there to line up to the turbo, and that's it. It basically just dropped right in. I didn't have to do anything crazy to the cold side. So I'm gonna drive it right now for the first time, and I promised you it would boost this episode. All right, here we go. Let's see what this thing does. The wastegate is unregulated. I think the spring is like 15 pounds, so you know, it's not even tuned for this turbo, so I can't get on it, of course. But basically, as long as I see boost, I'm gonna call this episode done. Good to post. Man, I didn't realize how much the motor moves. You know, now that I have the exhaust out of the hood, I can see how much the motor's flexing, and I need to get some better motor mounts because the motor moves a lot. Like, I need to get some solid motor mounts. The torque mounts that go on the bottom of the rails, they're pretty much trashed, so I think that has a lot to do with the rotation of the engine. I'm going to start off, I think, by getting solid, I think they're called torque mounts. Hopefully that helps the rotation of this freaking engine. Alright, here we go. I'm going to see if I have boost. We got boost. I think that was like 2 pounds. Man, I want to rev it up a little more just to see if I can build like 2-4 pounds. Man, I'm just trying to get home and I heard this crazy sound. I really need to roll my fenders because it's chewing up the corners of my tires. I think a piece of this tire was just hitting the fenders. Alright, that's all the sound was. Yeah, I need to roll my fenders ASAP before this gets any worse. Okay, it is boosting. I'm gonna try real quick to show you. It used to rev up pretty high with this big turbo. Let me show you how much it's boosted. Alright, I don't want to do any more than that because, you know, like I said, it's not even tuned. The wastegate's unregulated, so I don't know, it'll probably boost to at least 15 pounds. But hey, the car's, it's almost home, it's boosting. I'm gonna call this a good day. Gonna make a lot of progress. I still have a lot to do. Basically, this whole mission was just to get the car home so that I could really have more time to work on it. Okay, so the 2 things I need to order ASAP is a fender roller, because these tires are too expensive to be chewing up like that, and some torque mounts, because this engine is just moving too much. But yeah, if you like this episode, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.